Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonders of technology and its impact on our world. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating trend that has everyone buzzing: AI celebrities. Will they replace our human stars, or is there room for both in the limelight? Grab a snack and stick around, let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are AI celebrities? Imagine a superstar that can sing, act, dance, and even hold conversations, all generated by computer algorithms. These stars don't age, they don't get tired, and they can be in countless places at once. From Japan's Hatsune Miku, a digital hologram that fills concert halls, to AI influencers like Lil Miquela, these virtual beings are captivating audiences worldwide. They may look like us, but they are as synthetic as the screens we watch them on. So, how are these AI celebrities created? Advanced technologies like machine learning, deepfake techniques, and high-level graphic design combine to bring these virtual personalities to life. Machine learning allows them to learn and adapt, creating a more realistic and engaging experience for their audience. Now that we know what AI celebrities are, let's explore the technology behind them. One word you'll hear a lot is deepfakes. Using this technology, developers can create hyper-realistic videos and audio that seem indistinguishable from reality. It involves feeding AI with enormous amounts of data until it learns to replicate human-like behaviors and voices. Imagine an AI star who never misses a note, is never caught in a scandal, and whose smile never fades. That's the promise of AI celebrities. Another breakthrough is natural language processing, allowing these AIs to chat with fans, delivering a personalized experience. But how is AI shaping these changes? Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are fundamental. They give AI celebrities a stage that reaches a global audience instantly. AI tools analyze what content people love, tailoring the AI's performances and interactions to be more captivating. AI celebrities are not just a passing fad, they're rapidly integrating into our everyday culture. In music, an AI DJ can now create a tune and drop beats in a flash. Major companies are using AI influencers for branding, ensuring a controlled message without the unpredictability of human behavior. Movies and virtual reality experiences are also jumping on the bandwagon. AI actors can perform dangerous stunts and appear in fantastical environments without the hefty insurance costs or safety risks for human actors. Another intriguing area is gaming, where AI characters can adapt to players' actions, providing a unique and interactive experience every time you play. This adaptability makes AI celebrities an unstoppable force in digital entertainment. With AI celebrities on the rise, the question lingers: will they eclipse human stars? While AI can potentially dominate certain sectors, they still lack the genuine emotional connection and spontaneity that human interactions bring. Humans offer unpredictability, raw emotions, and authenticity, which are difficult to replicate convincingly with AI. People will likely continue to crave these authentic human experiences, preserving a place for human celebrities in our hearts and on our screens. In the future, AI and human celebrities may coexist. AI could enhance human performances with seamless effects. Stay curious as we explore this exciting future. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart insights. Until next time, take care.